Hello, it's Gina. Welcome to my channel. Before you, I have the October limited edition kit from my Creative Scrapbook. This is a monthly kit that I receive, and I usually do the unboxing. And I feel like it's a little late. I got it yesterday, late afternoon, and that was the 9th of October, which happens to be my mom's birthday. So yay, happy birthday, Mom. But so anyway, so I wanted to go ahead and get this open and do this video, and I'll probably upload it soon because I feel like it's kind of late. It's funny. Sometimes I get them usually around between the 3rd or the 5th of the month, but I even had one, was it last month? I'm losing track, but there was one month I got on the first day of the month, which was amazing. So I don't know, it gets here when it gets here. But without further ado, let's take a look at this kit and see what we get. I'm sure it's going to be full of fall themes and colors, and it's my favorite time of year, so let's see what's inside. All right, and here we have right on top our 3 packs of paper flowers from Prima. Can't pick it up. All right, beautiful, beautiful orange and black and gold, just great fall colors. And here is our ephemera pack, which we open at the end. If you've seen any of my other ones, you know this. Oh look, I've got more butterflies. Yay, little wood butterflies. And I've received this before, and I have used them actually, so I'm glad I have more. I can now not be so sparingly, not hold back using them. I can just use them for lots of things and not worry about running out. Isn't that what we do? We hoard things. So I don't have to hoard the other pack because I have another one. All right, we have from Creative Embellishments, we've got some little words. Let's see. I saw the word autumn, but let's see what else is in here. I can figure out how to open it. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh, work with me. Come on. Okay. Try to be careful because I can tell these feel like they're pretty delicate. So we have Harvest. Here. Let's get, there we go. Now you can see. Harvest. Oh, here's Autumn, which, by the way, in case you didn't know, is my middle name. Yay. And Bountiful. Fall. What's this one? Leaves. Nice. Great autumn themed words that we can use. That's wonderful. And oh, look at this. All right, that's a little extra. How about that? Isn't that pretty? Well, this is from Prima. Oh, nice. That's exciting. I love that. Let me put that over here. And here we have our chipboard stickers. Lots of fall foliage. Thankful and grateful. Friendsgiving. Oh, that's cute. Lots of fall images. Beautiful. And we have another stencil. That kind of looks familiar. I'll have to check and see if that's one that I have. If it's one I've already got, I will hold it and use it for a giveaway. But if not, I'm going to keep it. So, but I will check to see. It looks a little familiar. And here we are to the papers, and if you know, this is like my favorite part. And look at the beautiful images. I love fall. Oh, and I love the boots. This is nice because it has a fall theme and some fall colors, but it's not overly like orange, I guess is what I'm trying to say. There are some orange tones and some warm tones, which is fine, but I'm not saying there's not any orange, but it's not boom, like everything's bright orange. Now, I noticed some of the flowers, you know, are a little bit more vibrant with their orange, but that's okay. But yeah, these are just great. So I cut those out and be able to use those on cards as a sentiment, or focal point. So those are wonderful. Woo, nice. That make you dizzy. That's nice. And these papers, let's see. This is Pumpkin and Spice Collection. So very, very fall. And it's from Prima Marketing. This one's called Get Cozy. Get cozy with it. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? You know, you knew I liked it, right? Because it's really subdued. And that's just where I go. So it's my wheelhouse. It's what I like. Oh, look, that's pretty too, though. I love fall. Look at the leaves. One of my favorite fall things is when you're walking outside and the rustling, you know, from the leaves that have fallen, and it makes that sound when you're walking because you're crunching on the leaves. Oh, I just love that. That is so much a part of fall. And I love leaves. Did I look at the other side? Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. I love that pattern. Very nice. Oh, we have beautiful flowers on this side. I'm sorry, I was giving the names of the papers. The first one was Get Cozy. This one is Crunchy Leaves. No way. That's awesome. This one is Fall Flowers. There you go. Oh, that's very pretty. I love that. Oh, here's another nice one. Look at that. I love that. Very nice. Oh, look how sweet. I love pumpkins. Look. Very nice. This page is called Pumpkin Spice. Lots of pumpkins. You can use this as, if you're going to do a full page layout, that would be beautiful for fall. Or, you know what, you can always fussy cut around some of these items, some of these illustrations, and that would be a great way to use this as well. I love the back. Okay. Oh, we have two of those. So now you can save one and use for cards or layout, and then you can fussy cut the other. It's great to have doubles. Oh, look, this is kind of like the green page, except it's orange. Yeah, look. Well, that's not it. It's very similar, though. Didn't we have a page like that? Or am I making it up? All right, I might have made that up. Well, it is similar, but it just doesn't have the lines. Okay. So no lines, but that's really pretty. Oh, wow. Look at the colors. Look at the pumpkins. And I like it because the pumpkins are all different colors. Look, off-white, pink, kind of gray. That just makes it so much more interesting to me. Look at that. This one's called Fall for Fall. Very neat. And this is a nice collection. There's more beautiful images that you can fussy cut around. I love that. Sweater weather. That's cute. Ooh, isn't that pretty? It's kind of a pinky peachy look. And see, remember how we talk about the edges? Look at the beautiful images that we have along the edge. And I know it's not a lot of space. It's maybe probably a ½ an inch, quarter of an inch, but you know, you just never know. Sometimes, you know, you just need a little piece of something just to give, you know, whatever you're working on your project, a little bit of pop. So I save these. I do. I just look at the beautiful images. I love them. All right. And looks like we have two. Yep. Two for sweater weather. So I love it that we get duplicates on some pages, especially when there's images that you can cut out. So I think that's very well thought out, because it's like Pam says, yep, you know what? I can see they're going to probably want to fussy cut that. Let's give them another page that they can use for something else. So that was well planned. All right, let's put this back together, and then we'll take a look at our ephemera. Okay, cleaned up just a bit, moved it to the side because I love to take a closer look at the images that we get with our ephemera pack. I know it gives you like a little snapshot on the back, but that's not the same. That's not the same. Okay, let's pull these out. Okay, so here we go. Those are just lovely images. I love those. So that's a look at what those look like. Now, if you haven't seen one of my videos before, you know I take close-up pictures of everything at the end. I try to give you a really good idea of what's included in the kit. So if you don't feel like you could see it very well here, hang on, wait till the end, and I will have some close-up pictures for you. All right, so once again, we've got, let's do it in reverse order this time. We've got our beautiful papers, our beautiful fall papers, pumpkin and spice collection. We have a beautiful stencil. We have a beautiful chipboard, very decorative chipboard. We have chipboard words that are fall themed. That's awesome. We have these gorgeous flowers from Prima. We have an extra little item, which is our little wooden butterflies. They make a great addition. A great addition. Couldn't get that out. And we have our chipboard stickers that, of course, go with our papers and our theme. So that is great. Of course, we also have the ephemera, the paper ephemera that I've just shown you. So that is the kit for October. I hope you enjoy the video. There is a series of these. I will include this video in the playlist, and I will put the playlist at the end of the video, so you're welcome to take a look at other unboxings. If you want to get a better feel of what all comes in this kit, in the limited edition kit, take a look at that. And that's it. If you like the video, give me the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you like these type of videos or are interested in other videos in my channel. I would really appreciate it. That would be so awesome. And that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.